Hey guys, welcome back to Outside with Shive. I'm here at Firewood, the furnace. Little get together. As you can hear, there's lots of activity going on. Lots of work, lots of people just testing out machines and having a good time. Let me give you a little walk around here. Check back in just in a little bit here, get to meet some of these folks, so stick with me and I'll have some more footage for you guys to intake here from Firewood at the furnace. Dump trailer getting dumped here shortly.
Backwards, we can get this door open. I think it's heavy, but I wasn't ready.
Yeah. One beautiful load of ash. Woo!
We can pull all that shit.
A good group of stackers.
Group of slackers.
Oak load. It's a heavy load.
That's all oak.
He's a heavy. Holy smoke.
All the equipment, all the people gotta come down of PA. They already stacked that whole load?
Yeah.
Pretty much. Holy
Yeah. If that. Yeah.
Your door here, Brandon, is very close. Yeah, I'm watching.
Is this walnut?
It's walnut.
Okay. You don't want oak on that?
No.
Jeep?
Who am I?
Freaking Jeep.
I think that's right.
John freaking Jeep.
Yeah, that's it. That's who I am. The only reason I remember is because I see my picture on the post office when I go in there.
Oh, you're still missing.
Yeah. One day I'll find myself.
You gonna do any work, or are you just gonna walk around and film all
I've
day?
been working. I don't have much footage because I've been working.
Oh, working hard.
Not the 40.
Which splitter is yours?
That one. Hey guys, I'm back in PA from the Maryland trip down there to Firewood to Furnace. Hell of a time. As you can tell, my voice is a little rough this morning. It was a really good time and met a lot of people. I'm not sure how much footage I got until I actually start putting stuff together, but I'll definitely get something put together for you guys. But it was a hell of a time, and it was great meeting a lot of you guys. I'll put this footage together. Hopefully it's enough to make a decent video. I'm sure it is. But I just want to thank Brad for inviting me down, and for everybody that came. That's what it was for, you guys. And you guys definitely earned your keep, and that was awesome. Thanks again, guys. And if you like this type of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, tell one of your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Woo!